Good day, everyone. I'm Mayumi Vicortina, and for today, I will be presenting my portfolio in Catering and Events Management Services, NC3. So, this portfolio highlights the journey of creating a professional event design and management, featuring our newly project, which is the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Holland. So let's start with our company overview. The White Label Events Corporation was founded in 2019 with a small but powerful vision to redefine timeless elegance in event design and management. So what started as a passion for crafting intimate gatherings has now grown into a full-service company, and we are known for creating unforgettable weddings, sophisticated celebrations, and corporate experiences. So again, this proposal highlights the wedding of Mr. Tom and Mrs. Zendaya. So as you can see here, this is the letter we've sent to the couples to say our thanks for choosing our company to become part of their wedding, and also to let them know that we are deeply honored to present this wonderful opportunity for their upcoming wedding. So for our vision, mission, and values, our vision is to craft an intimate and timeless, elegant experiences. And for our mission, it is to become the leading name of luxury in event design and management. And for our values, um, we are centered in our passion, creativity, precision, and trust. So as you can see here, this is the services we are offering. We have for personal events, we have the birthday, anniversaries, engagement, wedding, and christening. And for corporate events, we have the seminars, conferences, team building, expos, Christmas party, and a year-end party, and many more. And for public events, we have the festivals and fairs. So again, I'm Mayumi V. Cortina. I'm the general manager, event planner, and the coordinator. And this is my team. Meet my team. Meet Miss Altea Gavisan, our event planner and our coordinator, and Miss Mario Palau, our marketing manager. Mr. Ezra Hantero, our financer. Mr. Jesse Amata, our logistic manager, and Mr. Sean Pinto, our teacher. So as you can see here, these are the accomplished events we've had so far. We have the Christmas party of Legal Construction and Corporation in 2018, and we have the christening of Shania Jane in 2025 this year, and the wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Perez in 2012. So these are the catering partners and the lights and sound partners. For catering, we have the Cat and Kais and the Salaries and also the Sapi. And for our lights and sound, we have the lighting and sound company by Homers. So here's our event accessories. We have the photo booth, coffee bar, mobile bar, and the sweet corner. So as you can see here, this is the event brief. For slogan, we have the timeless event where elegance meets forever. The target date is December 23, 2026. The location is 136 Hanby, Sullivan, Washington, Pasig City, 1611 Metro Manila. The time of the event is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and also the type of event is wedding celebration, of course. The theme is gold, white, and beige, and also for highlights we've prepared a 5 to 10 minute video for the couple's journey, and also the expected guest is 50 packs. The dress code is formal attire, white, gold, and beige, and the budget is 300,000 pesos. And our client, of course, Mr. Tom and Miss Zendaya Holland. As you can see here, this is the stage design that the couples wanted. They wanted a simple but sophisticated vibe, with their color, of course, the white, gold, and beige. So as you can see here, we have three cake inspo. The first one is our choice. The second one is the bride and the groom's choice, and the third one is the mother of the bride's choice. It is inspired by their wedding in the 80s. So this is the wedding invitation and the souvenirs. For the wedding invitation, you can see the couple's name and also the target date and the time, and also the address of the church. And for our souvenir, the perfume and the scented candle was the bride's choice, and the surprise box and the keychain are the groom's choice. So this is the package option. For the venue, they will use it for 5 hours, so that'll cost them 45,000 pesos. The stage design 8,000. Catering services for 50 packs will cost them 67,000. The lights and sound is 7,000. For invitation cards and the souvenirs, it will cost them 6,000 for each. And for usher and usherette, we need 4 people for faster movement. It will cost them 4,000 pesos. And for the event's host or the MC, it'll cost them 25,000 pesos. Food for manpower, 20 packs, it'll cost them 5,000. And the photo booth, it'll cost them 15,000 pesos. That comes with a total of 188,000 pesos plus the 15% service charge, which is the 28,200 pesos. And the grand total is 216,200 pesos plus the 10% contingency fund for unexpected things to buy. That is 21,000 pesos to 620. So this is the menu. As you can see here, all the foods and drinks are the couple's choice. So this is the event's place, and this is the map location. This is the floor plan. We have 5 round tables and 2 long tables. The 2 long tables is for the groom's family and the bride's family. We have a dance floor and also a little stage for the couple. We have the DJ, the booth, the buffet at the back, and the mobile bar at the back, and the dessert corner or the sweet corner at the back of the groom's table family, and also our entrance and exit and the comfort room. So this is the event program. For ingress, the physical setup and arrangement, we will start at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The final preparation is at 12 p.m. to 12:45, and the opening of the venue is at 12:45 p.m. Expected arrival of the guest is at 1 p.m. So for the next slide, the proper is at 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and also our egress is at 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this is the event day and the event flow that was mutually agreed upon by me and my client. So this is also the checklist of materials for ingress and egress. The event time frame. So the preparation and the meeting with the client happened in June, and the follow up and the ocular inspection happened in July, and the finalization for venue and catering happened in August. Signing of the contract happened in September. Presentation of venue setup and designs happened in October. Collection of the remaining payment happened in November, and also and the event proper and the post activity and audit happened in December. So this is a SWOT analysis for strength. The only strength we have is the reliable coordination with suppliers and the vendors. For opportunity, it is the increasing brand visibility through social media marketing. And for weaknesses, we only have one, which is the occasional budget constraints from clients. It restricts um, our it restricts us from providing a luxury and sophisticated event. So for threats, we only have one, which is the sudden cancellation due to unforeseen circumstances, because of weather issues, health issues, and many more. So as you can see here, this is the summary of the action plan. We have the planning and coordination, the venue supplies, the guest management, The program and entertainment, we have also the logistic and materials, the pre-event activities, the event day execution, and the post-event. And here's our memorandum of agreement. We've sent a copy of this to the couple to let them know the following terms and condition for executing a sophisticated and luxury wedding vibes they want. We have here the event details, scope of services, and also the payment terms, the cancellation policy, the responsibilities, the policy mayor, and also the agreement. And here's our business permit, and that's it. Thank you.